How do I copy Word tables into Excel without splitting cells into multiple rows? I have data in a Word table that includes line and paragraph breaks. When I copy the data into Excel, it splits each line and paragraph I want into multiple cells. How do I copy the data to Excel and keep the breaks?
You'll have to do a bit of character replacement. It's a pretty simple fix. In Word, select your entire table in Word. Open the Find and Replace dialog, for example, by typing Ctrl+H. In the Find What field, enter L. This will select all line breaks. You may select paragraph breaks by entering P. In the Replace With field, enter V. This is a shortcut for the paragraph symbol pilcrow, also known as a pilcrow. You may want to replace paragraph marks with 2 pilcrows for ease in replacement later. Click Replace All. Copy the table data to the clipboard. In Excel, paste your table in the desired location in Excel. With the tabular data selected, open the Find and Replace dialog. Again, Ctrl+H works. In the Find What field, enter the following Alt code, Alt+0182. A pilcrow appears. To enter an Alt code, hold down the Alt key as you type the digits on the numeric keypad. It may help to have numlock on. In the Replace field, enter the following Alt code, Alt+0010. This code enters in a single line break. Nothing appears, though your cursor may change. Click Replace All. References. This URL. This URL.
There is an easier way using Google Docs. Open a new spreadsheet at sheets.google.com. Copy the entire table from Microsoft Word into the Google spreadsheet. Then copy from the Google Sheet into Microsoft Excel.
I found that you can use LibreOffice Calc. Select your Word table. Copy. In LibreOffice Calc, paste special as HTML. Save in your favorite format. Your table won't be split into multiple cells.
I made a function to remove new line that caused the cells to split in Excel before copying to Excel.
Здравствуйте, это Сергей.